Hey everybody, it's Eric from Teachers Talking Tech. And today I'm going to tell you a way you might be able to spice up your read alouds using Animoji. Now in order to do this trick, you are going to need an iPhone 10 or later or an iPad Pro. You'll also need the Clips app by Apple, which is free. Now you can see that I'm a shark here. When I blink, it blinks. When I stick up my tongue, it does it too, right? The magic of Animoji. Now, what if I wanted to use this to do a read aloud? Well, I saw this on Twitter and I thought this is too good not to share. So I was going to read this book, Treasure Hunters by James Patterson, okay, which there's a lot of sharks in here and things like that. So what I did is when I open Clips and I start recording, I tap on the star and choose Animoji. And then I can choose which Animoji I'd like to be for that particular book. And there's some good ones. Oh, I like that one too. Okay, now did you notice that when I held up the book, everything goes backwards, right? And that is because you're using the front-facing camera. I'm going to show you how to fix that right now. So after I finish the video, I'm going to go into my photos and open that video. Okay. And so then I'm going to tap on Edit. Okay. And in Edit, do you see down at the bottom, there's Cancel and some other options? Down on the right, before I get to Done, is the Crop button. If I click on Crop, okay, it gives me some options here. Up on the very top left, one of those options is Mirror. Watch what it does when I tap that button. It flips everything around so that now when I go through this video and I hold up that text, oh, there it is. See how it's all turned around the correct way now. So you can flip it. All right, I hope this gave you some ideas of ways you could spice up your read alouds for your kids. And this has been Eric from Teachers Talking Tech. See ya.